So the way I look at it is this: artificial intelligence is probably a concept which is quite old. It's more than 40, 50 years old concept. What consumers are looking are different kinds of AI now. They're looking at augmented intelligence, which will help them do their job better. So for example, can my financial institution help me save and plan my taxes better? So that's not technically artificial, it's just there is a bunch of data available in different places. My bank knows what's my identity, so what kind of deductions I'm eligible. So that comes packaged along with wealth advice that if you can do this kind of savings, this is your best tax outcomes possible. That's like augmented intelligence. We also look at different kind of solutions which will help you do your stuff better. Instead of just creating a whole new revolution, you're doing stuff which is additional, which adds more value to your piece. And which is similarly, when I want to do analytics, what I want is someone to be able to tell me clearly where is my money being spent, how it is being spent, and what can I do better. And if, for example, there are deals or some options available based on my this, then I would want that to tell me that here are the deals, can you do this? And you flip on the other side, from a merchant. Imagine, I'm the one selling coffee to a customer. So here are my customers, can you help me do it better? Can you help me plan my demand? Can you help me plan my buying of raw material better? Because now you know my last 6 months data. Can you help me buy coffee because it's low in the international markets now? Can I book my supplies already? Can you give me a loan to put up a new machine which can do more stuff? And suddenly there is a bubble tea phenomena happening. Can I put up with this? So how do you become part of my business? And how do you help me make my life better? And at EY, as we say, how to make it a better working world? How do you make it better for me? So data is not the end goal, or insights or analytics is not the end goal. How do you use one or more of these to make me better at what I do? That is where financial services can either build, buy, partner with these solutions to bring more value to their customers. See, it's like this, it becomes a buzzword. So everything gets characterized like that. So, and now everything is big data. Tell me at what point is small data and you cross it, it becomes big. What point it is intelligence, and then it becomes artificial intelligence, and then it becomes machine learning, and then it becomes deep learning, and then it becomes quantum computing and quantum learning. So it's an evolution. It's incremental additions on top of it, and a lot of times it's just because it looks cool on marketing words. The Asian financial institutions have already been open to AI in a lot of places. Regulators have come up with guidelines on responsible use of AI in financial services. So they're looking at their in-house usage for back office, which is transaction monitoring, fraud, process improvement, and their customer-facing ones, which are more from how do you make customers' life simple. Some of them can be in terms of cognitive or chat bots. Some of them can be in form of concierge services. Some of them can be in terms of personalization and customization of services perspective. The thing is, there is no end goal for all of these. You can't have an end goal, because in terms of how you make me feel, there is no end goal. There is always something better which can happen. Because no matter what technology reaches, there's still something more which can happen. And which is where it's a journey. And I see more and more progress happening every year. 2019 would be a great year for it to move, and as smartphone penetration has moved up, data penetration has moved up, access to technology has become much cheaper. Now it's easy for a small company to use standardized APIs, standardized data sets to start building solutions. We'll see, I would say, more democratization of access to AI. You will see 1,000 flowers bloom with their own niche areas and niche flowers to help financial institutions and their consumers both.